Hi! Today we'll be fixing this frumpy style look with a pair of casual leggings. I will keep the same outfit formula, knit jumper, flat shoes and leggings, but my aim is to create more chic and elevated look that feels comfortable but looks elevated. Throughout every step, I will share some styling tips to help you improve your looks as well. So without any further ado, let's just get there step by step. To start the things off, let's identify key elements that make a pair of leggings wearable not only to the gym. So the first and probably the most important is the material. The one I got here is my gym leggings, and they are synthetic and quite shows off the structure of the skin. And I feel quite naked, to be honest. So let's swap. I found these leggings in Zara and they are just great. They do have additional seams on the belly area, which seems to help this area to feel a little bit more supported. A style tip: look for the leggings with the side zip to flatter the belly area even more, as this style usually helps to hold in lumps and bumps better. And last important thing is the material. I think that the stretchy but firm material is the best option, as it doesn't showcase the skin structure that much, and with these leggings I feel like I'm properly dressed. The duo of skin-tight thin leggings and this short knit just makes every figure flaw so visible. In addition, tight fit top and bottom really feels a little bit outdated and quite too plain. So swapping to a chunkier knit changes the deal. I instantly feel more elevated and actually more comfortable, as this knit is so big and soft and comfy, but yet this zip really helps to flatter the figure as well. This type of jumper with a zip is great if you are on a curvier side, as deep V helps to balance off the curves. And ladies, this little side slit on the bottom makes the things easier to style and to wear. I have started with these sneakers, but I think that in order to elevate leggings, tall leather boots is really a perfect choice for autumn. This step instantly elevates the look and makes it really more chic and practical for autumn as well. Style tip: look for the boots that are a little bit looser on your calves to make the legs appear slender. And voila! We are slowly but surely getting to a better place. It's time for me to visit the hairstylist for a trim, therefore hair down doesn't look that nice. I simply put it to the ponytail. A little bit of hair wax would have been really handy to make all the flyaways stay in place, but we roll with what we got here. Lately, I'm really into rings. I like mixing different ones, but for that cohesive look, I'm still keeping the style similar. Since I've got very delicate earrings, I also decided to add in an ear cuff to jazz the things up, and a pair of statement glasses that ties in the colors together. I'm using the same bag, I just wear it as a crossbody, and I guess that's it. Voila! This is the final autumn look with a pair of leggings that feels comfortable and doesn't compromise my body. I feel, and I guess I look, quite put together, and this outfit could take me to different places. Add a wide button down to dress it up, or a statement trench coat for that perfect walk in colorful or rainy autumn. Let me know if you enjoyed this outfit transformation and whether do you wear leggings yourself. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep shining, stay classy, and ciao ciao till the next time.